Today I have for you the Uamoy solar light. Now this is a wall mounted light, and as you can see here, this went up with just 2 screws, and then it just gets its power from the sun. There is actually a solar panel located right on the top there, and then also the motion sensors. And then this goes from dim to full bright. It goes from off to full bright, or you can have it fully on the whole time. Just makes a beautiful addition to our front door. But we'll come back and look at it at night. So here is the solar wall light by Uamoy, and I have it on the motion off to bright, and then it'll go down to dim. See, it just went down. And then I'll set it there, it goes off again. So really, really awesome light. I love it. Looks fantastic, works great.